your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Chelsea Priest.
Well, another update on what is now Tropical Storm Ian for you. Wind sustained at 65 miles per hour, gusts to 75 miles per hour. The storm continuing to move very slowly towards the northeast, around 8 miles per hour, sitting just to the southeast of Orlando at this point. It's been more than 24 hours that Florida has just been getting slammed by Ian, making landfall yesterday afternoon as a Category 4 storm, continuing to move towards the northeast. And what's going to happen with Ian today is it is going to move back out over the ocean. It could potentially gain a little bit of strength, moving towards the east of Jacksonville out over the water, and then making that curve towards the northwest, making landfall again somewhere along what's looking like the South Carolina border of the ocean as we head into Friday, late morning, early afternoon. From there, as soon as Ian continues to pull farther inland, it still has plenty of rain associated with this, but it really starts to lose any tropical characteristics. It weakens as it moves away from the energy from the ocean. We have a couple shots of getting some rain from Ian here in southern New England. It's looking more and more likely that on Saturday we get some rain moving into the area, just some moisture streaming in from Ian, which you can see on Saturday still way down to our southwest. And then again, as that system continues to fall apart, some of its remnants may bring us some showers into the middle portion of next week. Right now, tropical storm warnings moving all the way up the eastern seaboard. You can see over Florida, up through the Georgia coastline, the South Carolina coastline, and now into the North Carolina coastline as well. And that's going to continue again. We're talking about Ian for days now. For us here in southern New England, things are still very quiet. We have a very pretty start to our day over Block Island, a nice quiet morning across the area. You end up with partly to mostly sunny conditions as the day goes on. Temperatures right now in the low to mid 50s range for most of us, which is slightly warmer than where we should be for this time of year. The average low is about 51 degrees, so we're slightly above that. That being said, we have a breeze from the northwest today, and we end up slightly cooler than average. Average high is 70 degrees. With the wind coming in from the northwest, we end up with high temperatures today, topping out mainly in the mid to upper 60s range, so just shy of where we typically should be for this time of year. Average high again around 70. Today and tomorrow, we hover in the mid to upper 60s, and then as we head into the weekend, those temperatures drop a bit. You're looking at afternoon highs for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday down into the low 60s. So we're looking at some cooler temperatures coming in. And again, the chance of some rain all the way from down to our southwest where the remnants of Ian will be on Saturday. Satellite radar image right now is dry and quiet. You'll be nice and bright as the day goes on. A few passing clouds at times. And we start to see some thin clouds starting to stream in as early as overnight and into tomorrow from Ian, which again, so far down to our southwest, just shows you how large this storm system can extend. Just some clouds around tomorrow, but overnight clouds thicken up. And this is early Saturday morning. You can see some of that rain banding, some of that moisture getting closer to us here in southern New England. So some especially coastal showers possible. The farther inland you go, less likely that we get some rain, but some rain in our forecast for Saturday, especially at the coastline as some of that moisture from Ian makes its way all the way to us here in southern New England. Staying partly to mostly cloudy Sunday and Monday, and then again, some of the remnants of Ian may continue to make its way towards us into the middle of next week. Guys?